In this video, I'll show you how to recover your Peacock account without email. Step 1. Check devices where you're signed in. If you are signed in on any device, go to Account Settings in the app or browser to locate your registered email address. Step 2. Search your email accounts. Check all email inboxes, including spam and junk folders, for emails from Peacock to identify your registered email. Step 3. Use Peacock Account Finder. At Peacock's login page, select I don't know my email. Enter your name and payment info for account recovery instructions. Step 4. Follow Account Finder instructions. Check the provided email if you remembered or found it for a link to reset your password or login details. Step 5. Contact Peacock support. If all else fails, contact Peacock support through their help center with as much account information as possible. Now I have some tips for account recovery. Keep the payment method details handy for verification. Use any remembered profile details or LinkedIn linked accounts. Secure your account via a strong, unique password once recovered. And that's how you recover your account on Peacock without an email. If you found this video helpful, subscribe, and if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments.